I started to tear up because it reminded me of your TED Talk. That TED Talk to me hit me so hard because it was the first time anybody in media I'd ever heard somebody care about those girls the same way you would care
Mm.
about any other girls. Like, the argument you were making in that TED Talk, like, these girls in Afghanistan, why are they different than the girls from the Mormon cult?
Mm.
Thank you so much.
That's
Consider the great problem of women's bodies. What to do about them? Well, this is one thing you can do about them. You can cover them up. Well, we might not like this. We might think of this as wrong in Boston or Palo Alto. Who are we to say that the proud denizens of an ancient culture are wrong to force their wives and daughters to live in cloth bags? I mean, who are we to say even that they're wrong to beat them with lengths of steel cable or throw battery acid in their faces if they decline the privilege of being smothered in this way? Okay, well, who are we not to say this? Who are we to pretend that we know so little about human well-being that we have to be non-judgmental about a practice like this? I'm not talking about voluntary wearing of a veil. I mean, women should be able to wear whatever they want, as far as I'm concerned. But what does voluntary mean in a community where, when a girl gets raped, her father's first impulse, rather often, is to murder her out of shame? Just let that fact detonate in your brain for a minute. Your daughter gets raped, and what you want to do is kill her. What are the chances that represents a peak of human flourishing?